Ever felt chained to your desk, desperately trying to manage your appointments while life happens all around you? You're juggling work, maybe a side hustle, family, friends, the whole shebang. And in the midst of this beautiful chaos, scheduling can feel like another unwelcome taskmaster, demanding your attention precisely when you're trying to focus on everything else. Think about it. You're out and about, maybe grabbing coffee, when a potential client emails you wanting to book a consultation. Do you have to mentally juggle your availability, switch between apps, and pray you don't double book yourself? Or perhaps you're a loyal Acuity scheduling user, streamlining your business like a pro, but you've often wondered if that power could extend beyond your laptop screen. Well, you're not alone. In today's hyper-connected world, the expectation of having access to essential tools on the go isn't just a luxury, it's practically a necessity. We manage our finances, our social lives, even our grocery shopping from our phones. So, it's a perfectly valid question to ask. Does Acuity Scheduling, a platform designed to simplify our professional lives, offer that same level of mobile convenience? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the mobile landscape of Acuity, unpack its capabilities, and ultimately answer the burning question. Does Acuity have a mobile app? And if so, what can it actually do for you? Let's first take a step back and appreciate why a mobile app for a scheduling platform is so crucial in the first place. Imagine the freedom of managing your entire appointment calendar from the palm of your hand. No more frantic dashes to your computer. No more missed opportunities because you couldn't respond to a booking request immediately. A dedicated mobile app could empower you to view your schedule at a glance. See your appointments for the day, week, or month, no matter where you are. Manage appointments on the fly, reschedule, cancel, or even book new appointments directly from your phone. Receive instant notifications. Stay informed about new bookings, cancellations, or reschedulings in real time. Communicate with clients seamlessly. Respond to inquiries or send reminders directly through the app. Stay organized. Keep your professional life neatly tucked into your pocket, reducing the mental clutter of managing appointments across multiple platforms. These aren't just hypothetical benefits. They represent tangible time savings and increased efficiency for business owners and professionals who rely on scheduling to keep their operations running smoothly. Now, let's circle back to our main question. You're eager to know if Acuity has embraced the mobile revolution with a dedicated app. The answer, in short, is a little nuanced. As of my last update, Acuity Scheduling does not offer a standalone, native mobile application that you can download from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. I know, that might not be the answer you were hoping for. But hold on a second, because the story doesn't end there. While there isn't a dedicated app in the traditional sense, Acuity has recognized the importance of mobile accessibility and has taken steps to ensure you can still manage your schedule effectively on your smartphone or tablet. The key here is Acuity's mobile responsive design. This means that the Acuity scheduling platform is designed to adapt seamlessly to the screen size of your mobile device. When you open Acuity in your mobile web browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser on your phone, the layout will automatically adjust to provide a user-friendly experience. So, while you won't find an Acuity icon sitting on your home screen, you can still access and manage your entire Acuity account from your phone's browser. Let's explore what this mobile responsive design allows you to do. Full account access. Through your mobile browser, you can log into your complete Acuity scheduling account. This isn't a limited mobile version. You have access to all the features and functionalities you would on a desktop. Schedule management. You can view your calendar, see upcoming appointments, and get a clear overview of your availability. Appointment actions. Need to reschedule a client? Cancel an appointment? Block off some personal time? You can do all of this directly from your mobile browser. Client communication. You can access client details, review past appointments, and even manage communication logs, all from your phone. Settings and configuration. While perhaps less common on the go, you can even adjust your scheduling settings, appointment types, and availability through the mobile browser interface. Think of it this way. Instead of downloading a separate app, you're essentially accessing the full power of Acuity through a window that conveniently resizes to fit your mobile screen. Now, you might be thinking, okay, It's mobile responsive, but is it as good as a dedicated app? That's a fair question. There are definitely pros and cons to relying on a mobile browser versus a native app. Pros of Acuity's mobile responsive design. No installation required. You don't need to download and install a separate app, saving storage space on your phone. Always up to date. You're always accessing the latest version of Acuity, as updates are rolled out centrally to the web platform. Cross-platform compatibility. It works on any smartphone or tablet with a web browser, regardless of the operating system, iOS or Android. Full feature parity. You have access to all the features of Acuity, not a stripped-down mobile version. Cons of relying on a mobile browser. No dedicated icon. You won't have a quick access icon on your home screen. You'll need to open your browser and navigate to the Acuity website each time. However, you can often create a browser shortcut to your home screen for quicker access. Potentially less seamless integration. Native apps can sometimes offer smoother integration with your phone's operating system and features, such as push notifications, although Acuity does offer email and SMS notifications. Browser performance. The performance can sometimes be slightly less fluid compared to a dedicated app, depending on your browser and internet connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.